Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am definitely having a great day also as well. Yes. So Teacher Shane has 5 new vocabulary words that I'm going to teach you right now. And those words are color words. Now, what are those color words? Red, yellow, green, blue, and orange. Yes. So we are going to say, say, and spell those words together. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. The first word is red. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Great job. The next word is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Amazing. All right. The next word is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Very good. The next word is green. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Very good. The next word is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. All right, great job. Amazing, everyone. Awesome. We just learned our 5 new vocabulary words, color words. So now, guys, you can practice those words by yourself, or you can practice with your mommy and daddy. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I will see you guys again next time. Okay? All right, bye-bye.